press the bell icon and then never miss an update. So hello guys, Pranit here, and today we are going to unbox Lenovo Ideapad 320 and we will check out the specs and we will also try out gaming performance. So let's get started. So this is the box of the Lenovo Ideapad 320. It is same as other Lenovo laptops. Price of this laptop is around 44,190, but I got this laptop for 38,000 only. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Here comes the first thing. This is normal 20 volt 3.25 ampere charger. Next up in this box is laptop itself. Let me keep this aside. So now we have this manuals, which is moreover useless. It has warranty card and service center details. Let me bring the laptop back in the frame. So let's remove the plastic cover. So this is how the laptop looks at the first view. It has 15.6-inch screen and a full-size keyboard with numeric keypad. It has trackpad with integrated right and left button. On the right, we get Kingston lock and DVD drive. On the left, we get charging port, LAN port, HDMI port, 2 USB port, 3.5mm audio jack, 1 USB Type-C port and 1 memory card slot. Here are the main specifications of this laptop. It has 15.6-inch screen. It has i3 6th generation processor. It has 2 TB of hard disk. It also has 2 GB of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 920MX graphic card. It runs on Windows 10 and it has Dolby speakers. This laptop I got a free laptop kit. I got silicone keyboard guard, mouse pad, Lenovo wireless mouse. Skin cleaning kit. Quick Help Pro, laptop sleeve, Lenovo backpack, a travel bag, and that's all. This is what I got free with this laptop. So overall the laptop is great as per performance and its price. So here is a short gaming review for Lenovo Ideapad 320. The laptop heats up when a game is played on this laptop for a long time. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So if you have any doubts, comment down below. I will be answering all of your doubts. And so thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you next time.